As we grow, we know.
It's I, home, educate. As you grow, we know. And today we're going to be doing kitchens. So we got sink and we've got everything we need, really. And today we'll be making Subway sandwich.
Yay!
So let's start. So first, let's find the bread. Is it the bread inside here?
Yes.
No, that's the food. Is it inside here?
Okay.
Oh, it is inside here.
And we need this
Bread out.
and this and this and this. And we need
Right. So we've got the bread here.
and we all have the toppings.
First, we have to wash these food, the vegetables. Oh no, the dishes is full. What do we do? Let's wash the dishes, I guess. Okay. This is cups.
Yes.
Here's a tray.
Okay, let's put
So we're done now. Wait a second. We don't wash cheese. That's not a vegetable. Indeed, our sink is very dirty. There you go. So we're going to be washing these very, very good. Let's tap the water and wash. So now we finished washing them. And now we're going to be putting them on our bread. So do you want to put it on our bread for us? You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, put the vegetables on our bread.
Okay.
Tomato and lettuce.
We don't put lettuce in. We don't put it in.
There you go.
So
Okay, what are you gonna do?
first I will put the tomato right next to lettuce, and then here, and then here, and then here.
Oh, he's done already.
Already,
Back
I'm
on
making
top,
sandwich.
tomato.
Ta-da! Yum, yum.
Whoa! Here's the sandwich.
Subway,
Whoa.
only eat it.
Subway
Only
sandwich. Should we cook it first?
But first, we need to add oil.
He's gonna add the oil. Put it here, please, so everybody can see. There's the oil.
Here
Ooh.
is the sandwich we need. First, we'll put this one here.
And the
Then-
oil here.
Let's open the oil right now.
Open the oil. Oh, don't forget to add some seasonings. Add some pepper onto it.
Add some oil into it. And some beans.
Okay. Great. So now, meantime, I'm gonna be making French fries.
And now we'll eat the Subway.
Okay. He's gonna eat the Subway. French fries. Get all those French fries onto it. French fries. Well, look at that. Then get the spatula. Don't forget to add some salt.
Let's put it back, guys.
Can't wait to eat them. So, in the meantime, I'm going to be making some milkshake too. So make some milkshake. Wait, you wash hot dogs? Looks like he's going to make a hot dog. Add the water. Don't forget some juice. Gotta drink it. I don't know what this is. I'm just going to put it in. And the milk. Okay. I'm just going to add the lid on, the milkshake.
I'm so scared, people.
And there you have it.
I'm not
So
funny.
let's go put it here.
This is a stupid
Sandwich.
hot dog bun, so
Hey, you don't say that word. That's bad words.
we're clear.
I home educate. As we grow, we know.